Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a blur on the background in CapCut PC. So first you can select your videos or photos that you want to edit, for example. So go to effect and select length. Just looking for blur background, blur effect. Yes, add a track and change for duration, and then select the clips, right click and select create content clip. Go to media and select the same photo or video, put on top as an overlay. Go to cutout, remove the background, so I'm going to select auto cutout. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.